Today we're bringing to market a property that especially appeals to empty nesters and downsizers. It's a beautifully maintained bungalow condo offering over 1,600 square feet of carpet-free finished living space on one level. This executive unit has a double-car garage and is in a peaceful Lackner Woods location surrounded by protected green space. The architecture of the home incorporates this gorgeous vaulted ceiling, enhancing the feel of the open concept living space, with a central family room and gas fireplace focal point. The backyard facing wall consists mostly of glass, with multiple large windows and a double patio door, making for a bright interior space. The kitchen is well laid out and positioned, providing direct garage access through a laundry hallway, making grocery placement a short trip from the car to the kitchen. The primary bedroom takes advantage of the backyard natural light. It sits at the back of the home with a rear-facing window, walk-in closet, and 4-piece ensuite. A second bedroom and 4-piece main bathroom complete the main floor. A private backyard deck offers outdoor entertaining space. And if you need even more finished space, this unfinished basement is an over 1,600 square foot blank canvas with a 3-piece rough-in just waiting for you to complete. Call, text, or email our team for complete details.